Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to do a quick and a stunning soft smoky eye makeup using Cut Crease technique and glitter. Trust me, you won't believe how simple and stunning this eye makeup can be. You can learn and recreate in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. I use a single eyeshadow from MAC that is incredibly vibrant, but it's hard to pinpoint the exact color. It's a shimmery shade with a gray base, and in sunlight it appears as a very deep green, which is absolutely beautiful. I apply some of the eyeshadow to the outer edge of my eyelid and blend it upwards with a sweeping motion to create a lifted effect. Additionally, I want this eyeshadow to cover both the outer corner of my eyelid, the crease, and the inner corner. So I covered those areas well with the eyeshadow, and it truly is a different and incredibly beautiful color. I blend the eyeshadow seamlessly to ensure there are no harsh lines. Now let's move on to the Cut Crease technique. Grab a small flat brush and apply a small amount of concealer to it. Start at the inner corner of your eyelid and carefully draw a line along the crease, following the natural shape of your eye. This will create a defined line and help carve out the crease area. Make sure to blend the edges of the concealer carefully, diffusing any harsh lines. You can use a clean blending brush or a small fluffy brush and even your fingertip to gently blend the concealer into the eyeshadow, creating a smooth and natural gradient. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to master the technique. Take your time, be patient, and enjoy the process of creating a beautifully defined cut crease look. Next, let's use the lighter eyeshadow shade on the cut crease area to add brightness. Apply a shimmery or matte eyeshadow of your choice onto the cut crease area, focusing on the center and blending it out towards the edge. Next, use a gray eyeshadow again, this time applying it to the center of our eyelid to ensure seamless transition and no visible line. Additionally, apply a bit of the eyeshadow to the area above the cut crease. We have reached my favorite part. As always, I use white glitter with the help of my finger and apply to the center of my eyelid. It is truly mesmerizing and beautiful, making the result of your eyeshadow shine. I clean up any eyeshadow with harsh lines at the outer corner of my eyelid using a brush and concealer, then I blend away any remaining concealer with a sponge. To complete our eye makeup, we use eyeliner. Starting from the outer corner of the eyelid, create a wing by drawing a line that extends outward, then continue the line towards the center of the eyelid. I also darken the beginning of my eye using a dark eyeliner. I follow the natural shape of my eyes and make it darker, which enhances the shape of my eyes more. You can create a wing at the beginning of your eye as well. It's time for the lower lash line. Next, I use a brown eyeshadow and apply it with a flat and a small brush along my lower lash line to create a soft and a smudged effect. I love applying glitter on the lower lash line, and this part can be a personal preference, but trust me, adding glitter to the lower lash line can truly be beautiful. Alright, I have decided to use false eyelashes. You can use mascara on your natural lashes instead of false eyelashes. Thanks for watching the video up to this point. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. This eye makeup is both easy and beautiful, and it's really practical. If you like the tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. I really appreciate your support. I've just started my channel where you can watch more tutorial videos, and if you're into makeup and beauty content, I upload new tutorial videos every week, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.